Howfa my people, welcome to another video for this channel today. Today we go to talk about 10 things wey you need to know if you wan invest your money in crypto. The number one for our list today na make you ask yourself why you wan invest your money in crypto. So because you dey hear say people dey make money for crypto wella, people don turn millionaire for crypto, why you wan invest your money in crypto? Abi you wan just chill with dem big boys wey dey for crypto, or you ma wan feel among, abi you wan follow trend? Make I no lie you ba, you need to know say crypto no be get rich quick scheme. Everything for crypto na process, so go learn the process and go for mentorship. Make person teach you well, make you go follow person wey know road before you talk say you wan invest your time and money inside crypto. Our number 2 for today, dey try chill with big boys for the game. When we talk say big boy, we mean person wey dey into crypto, all those professionals, all those gurus wey dey inside crypto, na we dey call big boys. Shey you wan invest from crypto ba, make you start dey follow people wey dey talk about crypto like we dey do am for here now. For here we dey talk about crypto and everything wey dey related to am in pidgin English. So go look for people wey dey talk about crypto, go read about book wey dey talk about crypto, go watch video, podcast wey dey talk about video and trading too. Buy crypto course from all those dem big boys wey sabi, all the people wey you know say toh they don successful for this crypto space. Go buy their course, make they teach you, make you follow who know road before you talk say you wan invest your money in crypto. The number 3 for our list na make you go join better group and community wey dey talk about crypto. Like I been talk am before, crypto na all about information, and na who first get the information go win for this space. As far as you know this, you go win for this space. Na why you need to join better group and community wey dey talk about crypto, and dey provide hot value, and you fit meet people over there wey you fit connect with, and dey go increase your knowledge for crypto space. Remember say for this crypto, nothing like one man mapo for here. If na one man mapo, you go die of hunger and depression. For this crypto space, it's all about information, and it's all about who you know wey know crypto well. The number 4 for our list na you fit stand if you lose money. That is our number 4. The next question you need to ask yourself na, if I lose this money wey dey my hand, or if I lose this money wey I wan take invest, I fit stand am? I fit stand depression, so hope depression no go fit kill me. If I lose this money, hope I no go fit run mad. The truth be say, for crypto you go lose money and you go gain money. Na how e take dey work be that. If person dey the other side dey tell you say you no fit lose money for crypto, abeg run for your life. So knowing this now go help your life, and the only way to jump am pass na im we go discuss for the next one. The number 5 for our list na to risk wetin no go pain you if you lose am. From wetin we bin dey talk about from number 4 say you fit lose money and gain money, the only way to jump am pass na to dey use wetin we dey call risk management if you dey trade. In another way, e mean say if na $100 you wan take start, no use am go buy one coin, so that in case the coin no go well with you, in case you lose the coin, in case you lose everything, then you go lose all the whole money wey you get be that. So e better say make you divide the $100 into $20 take buy 5 coins, so that you know say if this one lose, you get hope for another one. So the number 6 for our list dey talk about try your best dey read crypto white paper and news articles wey dey around. Any crypto coin wey you wan put your money, make sure say you don go read about them, you don go read news wey talk about them, you don go read everything wey dey related to them, and most important one na to go read about their white paper. White paper mean say the information wey the company wey own the crypto talk say the crypto be. If you go read the white paper, you go know say whether this crypto fit last long, whether this crypto is crypto wey get future, whether this crypto get better project ahead to do, whether this crypto fit stay on a long run. So, and you go also know wetin the whole project about the crypto dey all about. So na wetin we dey call white paper be that. The number 7 wey you need to know say market na 24 hours, so plan your own time. Morning, afternoon, evening, yesterday, today, tomorrow, every time, every hours na so market go dey always dey open. So you no fit watch the market. The best thing you need to do na to get your own time wey we dey call trading plan, trading strategy, or trading journal. We go talk about all those things for our next video wey we go take explain wetin be trading plan and wetin be trading strategy. The number 8 wey we get for here be say join dem big boys signal group. Another way wey you fit make money for crypto na to join all those signal group wey all those people wey dey into crypto space dey get. Everybody get, but you need to know the one wey you go join so that they no go scam you of your money. So wetin be all those crypto signal group be say all those people wey get the group go do the hard work for you while you go just sit down dey trade any signal they give you. But the truth be say none of those big boy signal group wey be free. Big boys mean people wey be guru for crypto space. So wetin we dey do for here be say for CryptoPidgin we ma get our own signal group wey you fit join. You fit even join am with small change. And the sweet thing be say we get weekly subscription, monthly subscription and even lifetime subscription. So you fit start the weekly one, and if you enjoy am you go fit upgrade to monthly one or lifetime own too. If you wan join CryptoPidgin signal group, just contact us, we go get back to you and tell you how you go take join the group. The number 9 for our list na make you dey use verified exchange crypto platform. For crypto space, scammer plenty, so you need to protect yourself. Na why we go dey drop better information wey go help you. So if you wan invest in crypto, mean say you wan dey buy and sell crypto, try to dey use crypto exchange wey dey well known and verified for the game. Exchange like Binance, KuCoin, crypto.com, Coinbase, all of them etc. dey plenty well. But in our next video we go talk about 10 crypto exchange wey you fit dey use. The last one wey we get for here na to dey buy coin wey don tey for the crypto space. Yes, you need to dey buy coin wey don tey for the crypto space very well. My advice for you be say try to dey invest on coin wey don tey for the game, coin wey don pass through up and down, coin wey don prove themselves say they get future. Coins like Bitcoin, Ethereum, BNB for Binance, Stellar XLM and ADA. So all those coins don pass through the test of time and they don prove themselves say they get future. Thank you for watching our video today o. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and please don't forget to share this video. My name na Maxim, your personal person, and no forget say I no be financial advisor. Thank you. Let's talk in the comment section if you have any question wey you wan ask or you get anything wey you wan add to this top 10 wey I just list now.